of the Sea of Galilee is a lesser-known example of Israel's unique geographical diversity and natural beauty. The Hula Basin is framed by the Galilean hills to the west and to the east by the cliffs of the Golan Plateau. To the northeast is the dramatic snow-capped Mount Hermon that rises to an elevation of 9,000 feet. On a clear day, it can be seen throughout northern Israel. In the time of ancient Israel, the Hula Valley was in the territory of the tribe of Naphtali. In the time of Christ, the Hula Basin was in the territory of Iturea and Trachonitis under the administration of the ruler Philip, one of the sons of Herod the Great. Towards the end of his life, while taking a break from the huge crowds that followed him in Galilee, Jesus took his apostles on a journey through this beautiful country to teach and to prepare them for his death he would soon suffer in Jerusalem. The Hula Lake, which was fed by the Jordan River, was drained in the 1950s to eradicate malaria and to convert the land for farming. Soon after, Israel's first nature reserve was established, and the valley has since been partially reflooded to reintroduce some of the former ecosystem. Today, hundreds of millions of birds pass through the valley on their migration routes between Europe and Africa. Animals such as wild boars, otters, and wild buffaloes are repopulating the reserve, giving a glimpse of the landscape and wildlife of ancient times.